Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the Melrose Hill bypass construction. Now, Highway 2000 is heading towards Mandeville. And when the highway comes over the hill, it's going to merge with the Melrose Hill bypass. And so the Melrose Hill bypass is being upgraded to 4 lanes. It's actually being upgraded to a dual carriageway. It's going to look just like the highway basically. So this is Melrose Hill that we're on now, and then we are now going to take the tour and show you where the highway is going to merge into the Melrose Hill bypass. So this will be an exit on the right, so that if you're coming from Williamsfield heading towards Porus, you will use that road to the right. So that's a highway. That's also an exit or entrance from the Melrose Hill bypass onto the highway. Now out here is a very peculiar spot, because this is where the Melrose Hill bypass is going to merge with the traffic coming from the highway. So I'm not sure if they're going to build another lane to the right, but this is the highway now on the left. Oh, it looks like they're going to put in... Okay, so it looks like these cones here is going to show how it's going to work. Apparently they're going to put in some sort of barrier or something here, so that the traffic from the Melrose Hill bypass will stay in the right lane, and then the traffic from the highway will then stay in the left lane. Because when they had first opened this section, it looked very dangerous. So this probably gives a better idea of what's going on. But it would have been so much easier just to put 2 lanes from the highway. There's space here. Build another lane, so when you're coming off the highway you have 2 lanes, and then coming up Melrose Hill you have a 3rd lane that merges in, so you have 3 lanes, and then when the traffic goes up it then merges into 2 lanes. That would have been a lot easier, but let's see what happens in the end. So this is the view you will have when you're coming off the highway. So with those plastic cones there, it gives a much better idea of how everything is going to work.